Hello everyone, welcome to my session. Please subscribe my channel, that is very helpful me a lot. Okay, today we are going to discuss about aromaticity, some aromatic nature of some organic compounds. Okay, whether the given organic compound is aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. So in our previous video we discussed about total process, how to find out the given organic compound is aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. Once again I will recall you. First one is the compound must be cyclic, and second one is the compound must be planar in nature, that means all carbons having sp2 hybridization. Third one is conjugation. Alternative double bonds must be present, that compound behaves like as organic compound. Alternative double bonds or lone pair or positive charge or negative charge. Okay, these three criteria. And fourth one is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So this is aromatic. Here n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and anti-aromatic 4n pi electrons only. This is anti-aromatic. Here n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, not included 0. Okay, here n is replaced by 0. 4 into 0, 0 plus 2, 2, and 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6, and 10, 14 electrons likewise. Here 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 12, 14, like this. Okay, clear? Now we discuss more examples. Okay, this is the first one. This is 6-membered rings. These examples are 6-membered rings. Okay, first one is phenol. The compound name is phenol. So this is aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic, we will find out now. Okay, now here this is the cyclic compound. Okay, cyclic compound, and here this is the carbon having 1 hydrogen, 3 sigma bonds, that is sp2 hybridization. That means this is planar, and alternative double bonds are present, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond. So conjugation is also here, conjugated. And how many electrons are present? Pi electrons. This is 1 electron, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth one is 6 pi electrons are present. 6 pi electrons belongs to which category? This category or this category? 2, 6, 10, 14. 4 variation. 6 belongs to aromatic. Here 6 is there na? No. 4, 8, 12. Okay. 6 is related to aromatic. So this is aromatic compound. Clear? Now second one is, this is the structure. This is cyclic. Okay. Here sp2, here 1 hydrogen present, here also 1 hydrogen present. This is sp3. If the compound having conjugation system, the carbon must be sp2 hybridization only. Sometimes sp also participated in aromaticity, but rare cases. Now here sp3 is present, so cyclic non-conjugated. Which place resonance stopped? That means conjugation stopped. This is no conjugation here. Okay, no conjugation this place. And this is also cyclic. This is non-aromatic, anti-aromatic, sorry, non-aromatic. This is non-aromatic. Okay, this is cyclic. Here also same problem, but here positive charge, here negative charge. Here there is no conjugation. Why? Because this is sp3 hybridization. Okay, cyclic but non conjugated, non planar, because here this carbon having only sp3 hybridization. So this is non-aromatic. This is non-aromatic. Now next one, here positive charge present, here negative charge present. So I already told you alternative double bonds, lone pair, positive charge and negative charge also participated in conjugation. This is sp2, 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 this is also sp2, this is also sp2, sp2. So criteria match in a cyclic, planar and conjugated, and planar conjugated. And how many electrons are present? How many electrons are present? This 1, 2, 3, 4, and these two lone pair of electron participated in hybridization, that means delocalization. So total how many electrons are present? 6 pi electrons. 6 belongs to, see, 6 belongs to which category? 6, this one, aromatic. So this is aromatic. Okay, now this one, total you know, cyclic and planar conjugated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pi electrons are present. 10 pi electrons are present. 10 belongs to which category? This one here, see, this is 10 pi electron belongs to aromatic. So this is aromatic. Now this one, this is naphthalene, this is anthracene. This is cyclic, conjugation present and planar also. All carbon having sp2 hybridization. Now count the pi electrons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pi electrons. 14 belongs to which category? 14 electrons. So this is aromatic. This is aromatic. Now see this one. This is the compound, look like non-aromatic. Why? Because here there is no charge, there is no pi bond and negative charge and positive charge. Looks like non-aromatic. But here I do something, this bond migration from carbon to oxygen. So this is having negative charge, this is having positive charge. This positive charge participated in aromaticity nature. Okay, this is cyclic, planar, conjugation, present na conjugation, How many electrons are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. These two are participated in conjugation. Total 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons belongs to aromatic. Okay, aromatic. So see here, this lone pair and this lone pair cannot participate in conjugation. So total is cyclic, planar, conjugation is present. Why? Because alternative pi bonds are present, conjugated. How many electrons are present? 2, 4, 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons belongs to aromatic. Okay, this is cyclic. Planar, no planar. Why? Because this is only having sp2 and this is sp3, sp3, sp3. So non-planar, non-aromatic. Okay, non-aromatic. Now this one, two double bonds are present and one negative charge is present. So automatically it is in conjugation. Cyclic, planar and conjugated. How many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pi electrons. This is aromatic. Here also positive charge. Cyclic, planar, conjugated. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi electrons. 4 pi electrons belongs to this one. 4 pi electrons belongs to, observe carefully, only here negative charge having lone pair of electrons, but positive charge there is no lone pair of electrons. So here only 4 pi electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi electrons belongs to which category? This one. Observe carefully. Anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic. Okay. Now this one. Cyclic, non-planar, non-conjugated and non-aromatic. Why? Because alternative double bonds or lone pairs or positive charge, negative charge is missing here and here. Okay. Now this one. This is the name of this compound is furan. Furan. So cyclic in nature. Here one lone pair present, pi bond. So this pi bond cannot participate in hybridization. That means delocalization. Okay, cyclic, planar, conjugation, and how many electrons are present? 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons means aromatic in nature. Okay, clear? Now this one, tell me. Cyclic and one lone pair is present, planar, conjugated, and how many electrons are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pi electrons, aromatic. Now this one, same, cyclic, planar, conjugated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pi electrons, aromatic. See here this one, cyclic in nature na, cyclic, alternative double bonds is present and all carbons having sp2, that means planar, and conjugation is present, alternative double bonds present. Then how many electrons are present? Pi electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi electrons belongs to anti-aromatic. Okay. Now this one, cyclic, planar, conjugation, double bond, pi bond, positive, conjugation is present now. How many electrons are present? only 2 pi electrons present. 2 belongs to which category? This one, aromatic. This is aromatic. Remember, this is aromatic. 2 positive charge are present. Right. Now this one is cyclic sp2 hybridization. Here there is no sp2 hybridization. Here sp3 is present. So non-planar. Conjugation, there is no conjugation. No conjugation. So this is non-aromatic. Okay, this one cyclic, planar, conjugation, 1 2 3 4 5 6 pi electrons, aromatic. Up to here, are you understood? Now this one, positive charge. Okay, see here, cyclic in nature na, pi bond, sigma bond, positive charge, sigma bond, pi bond. Observe carefully. Pi bond, sigma bond, positive charge, sigma bond, pi bond. So all are having sp2 hybridization. So this is planar alternative double bond. That means this is positive charge, this is pi bond. So conjugation is present. But here how many is pi electrons are present? 2 pi electrons. 2 pi electrons belongs to which category? 2 pi electrons. 2, this one. So this is aromatic. Okay, here also this is aromatic. This is also aromatic, but here negative charge is present. 1 2 3 4, sorry 4 pi electrons. 4 pi electrons present. So this is anti-aromatic. This is anti-aromatic. 4 belongs to anti-aromatic now. This is anti-aromatic. Now this one, cyclic is present, but no planar, no conjugation. No planar means, no conjugation means this is non-aromatic. This is non-aromatic. Now this one. Here double bond O is present. There is no positive charge, negative charge or bond, but this is bond, lone pair of electrons shifted towards oxygen. So what happened? Double bond is present here, O minus, this is plus. So this is under aromatic in nature or anti-aromatic in nature. Cyclic, planar, conjugation. How many electrons are present? 2 pi electrons. 2 pi electrons belongs to which category? Aromatic. Aromatic. Clear? Now very important organic structure to find out the aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. This is biphenyl ring. Biphenyl ring. Here 1 2 3 double bonds present, but here conjugation is missing. Conjugation is missing. This is pi bond, sigma bond, here pi bond. This way is right. Okay. Sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond, pi bond, sigma bond. Here pi bond needed. Okay. Assume that this is conjugation is missing. Right. But here we observe carefully. In this biphenyls category, we take rings individually. Benzene rings or any other rings individually. Okay, first we find out this ring, and second this ring. Okay, first this ring is cyclic na, planar, conjugated. Okay, and 1 2 3 3 into 2 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons belongs to aromatic, and here also conjugated, planar, cyclic in nature, and 6 pi electrons. Both are having 6 pi electrons. That means this is aromatic in nature. Okay, clear? Are you clear? Now this is the examples to find out which one is aromatic, which one is non-aromatic, and which one is anti-aromatic. Okay, I think you all are follow these rules and regulations. Okay, we will discuss more examples on next class. Clear? Okay, I will explain more annulenes and biphenyl rings, some more biphenyl rings in next video. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.